Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Can we figure it out together? Do you remember what we said it was yesterday? That can help us figure out what today is if we can remember what yesterday was, but sometimes it's a little bit difficult to remember. So on our board, we've been writing a shape, coloring a shape on the board every day, and this also helps us to know where we are in the calendar. Can you see on the board where we drew our last shape? Do you remember what it was yesterday? Look up on the board. The orange circle was our last shape. We still have all of these ones to fill in for the rest of the month. So our orange circle was our last shape. So let's put in for today. Yesterday was the orange circle. Today will be, do you think you can guess? What is a pattern that you see on the board between our shapes? Can you see anything similar about what's going on? Let's go back to the beginning and see if we can figure it out. Orange circle, purple triangle, 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 orange circle, purple triangle. Did you guess purple triangle? Good job, guys. Let's do, start at the top, go down on an angle, go across the bottom, and then up to the top. And I'll just color that in. What else do we need to put into our square besides our shape for the day? What do you see? What is in the other squares that needs to go in this square besides a triangle? What do you see yesterday that we don't have on today? Our number. So yesterday was the number 13, or when we're talking about a calendar, we say the 13th. So what do you think today would be? What comes after 13 when we're counting? Do you know? Should we count together and see if we're correct with our guesses? Let's go back to the beginning. Let's count together. I would love to hear you try with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Was 14 your guess? Did you guess a 14? Any guess is great. I'm glad that you're guessing. A 1 and a 4. That makes 14. So there's 2 digits in the number 14. And when we're talking about a date, for number 14, we would say the 14th. Can you say it at the end of 14? 14th. So today is the 14th. Next, we're going to find out what day it is. Do you know how many days there are in the week to choose from? Can we count them together and see if our guess is correct? Let's go up here. These are the days of the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. So let's go to our last shape that we did for today. Today is the 14th, and we're gonna go up, 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 and it is Thursday. Can you say Thursday? I have a little card here so that we can get up close and see how to spell Thursday. So it starts with a capital T because every name starts with a capital. And Thursday is the name of a day. So capital T, H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. So today is Thursday, the 14th. We also need to know what month it is. Do you know how many months there are in the year to choose from? Let's count them and see if we're correct. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 months in the year. Do you think you remember what they're all called? Let's say the names together. January, February, March and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in the year. And we are at the beginning of the year, so we're still in January. So we've got January at the top of our calendar. And what does it start with? A J. J, J, J. And it's a capital J because it's the name of the month, and every name has to have a capital. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. January. And underneath January is our year. So this year is 2021, or you can say 2021. So now that we know all of the components to our date, let's put it together to make a sentence. So at the beginning of our sentence, we say, today is. And today has a capital not because it's a name, but because it's the first word in our sentence. If you look at all your books, every sentence, the first word in that sentence will have a capital letter. So today is Thursday. It's Thursday, so today is Thursday, and we're going to start with a capital T, H, U, R, S, D, A, Y, and then a comma. So Thursday, January, so capital J because it's the name of the month, J, A, N, U, A, R, Y. Thursday, January 14th. So a 1 and a 4 make 14. 14. Then I'm going to put a comma, and then I need to put the year. The year is 2021. So 2021. 2021. And then I'm going to put a period there because that's the end of our sentence and it tells me to stop. So I won't read any further. Can we read the day of our week, today in a sentence all together? Today is Thursday, comma, January 14th, comma, 2021. So the comma means that we're just going to pause. Ready? Today is Thursday, January 14th, 2021. Stop, right? That period tells us to stop. Did you look outside to see what the weather is like today? Or maybe you've been outside already. What did you notice about the weather? Is it cloudy? Do you see lots of clouds in the sky? Can you see the sun? This is cloudy. Is it cloudy for you where you are? It's not cloudy where I am. What about windy? I didn't see anything blowing around outside. What about you? Is it windy where you live? Are the trees moving? What about rainy? Is the raindrops falling from the clouds in your sky? Oh, I don't have any clouds in my sky, so it won't be raining. Well, partly cloudy. The sun's peeking out, but there's also some clouds. There's no clouds outside right now where I live, so I can put that one away. What about you? Is there any clouds where you live? Snowy? Is it snowing where you live? It's not snowing where I live. No clouds either. So that leaves us with sunny. So I'm going to put sunny on our weather chart board here. And then I'm going to do the weather chart. Will you help me? We're going to find sunny on this chart. Do you see where it is? It's kind of an easy one. It's right at the top, isn't it? We already have some tally marks there. Can you count them with me? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a tally mark starts at the top and just strike it down, just like a 1. Start at the top and go down. And because we're using tally marks, they're a little bit different. And when we get to 4, when we get 5, like we're at today, we want to put one more tally mark with these 4 tally marks here. What we do is we take the line, we start up here in this corner, and we go all the way across all 4 of them like this. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you slash it across. And that way, when you get a whole bunch of 5s, so if you have 5 cats and then another 5 cats and another 5 cats, you'll have this here and then here and here. And you can just tell by looking at it that it's a 5 because that's kind of like a symbol for 5. You don't have to count them up all the time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've had 5 sunny days so far. That's exciting. So now we're going to do our agenda, and we will flip to our last day. And yesterday I was going to color a picture of my cat, but I didn't get around to it. So I'm not going to put a check mark there because it's not quite done yet. So I'm going to work on that today as well as the other things that I'm going to do, just because I didn't get it done yesterday, but it still needs to be done. So today I'm going to write the date. It's Thursday. So capital T, H, U, R, S, D, A, Y. And this should be a little bit taller. Sometimes we make errors when we're just practicing, and that's okay. And then we're going to put a comma, and then January, capital J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. And I ran out of room, so I'm going to go back over here underneath and just below the beginning. I'm going to put a 1 and a 4 for 14, and then a comma, and then I'm going to put 2021 for our year because it's 2021. And then I'm going to practice making all of my numbers because the more I practice, the better I'm going to get. So practice every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I ran out of room, so I'm going to go back down to the bottom. 11, 12, 13, 14. So those are all my letters for today. And then I'm going to take my yellow crayon and I'm going to make a sun for sunny. And then today I am going to make cupcakes because it's my friend's birthday. Do you like cupcakes? I like cupcakes. So some people put them in a little muffin cup in the muffin tin when they make cupcakes, and some people don't. Either way is fine. My friend's favorite color is pink, so I'm going to draw a pink cup and color that in. And her favorite icing is chocolate, so I'm going to pick brown. And I am just going to make a little ledge here and then make icing on here like this and color that in. Do you have a favorite icing? Vanilla, cream cheese maybe, cherry, chocolate. And I'm just going to put some sprinkles on here. I don't know if you can see them, but I'm just going to put some pink sprinkles and maybe a candle. Let's put a candle on here for her. I'm going up into my letters. I ran out of room, but that's okay. There, and there's my cupcake for my friend's birthday. And then I'm going to print my name at the bottom so that I practice every day so I can get really good at it. I put a capital C because it's my name. E-L-Y-N-N-E. And I need to get that done today because it is her birthday today, so I don't want to miss out. I want to get her cupcake today. So if you don't know how to do your days of the week or the months of the year yet, you can just practice making letters. So we've been doing N the last couple days. Let's change it now. Let's do a different letter. And I will start with blue. So I'm just going to put a line here. Sometimes your papers have lines on them and sometimes they don't. This might just help you so that you know where the line is and how big to make your letter when you're practicing. So let's do a U today. Do you know how to make a U? You start at the top here, come down and go up. Can you do that with your hand? Start up here, come down like a scoop and go up to the top. Good job. I love it when you try. So we're going to start up here and we're going to come down and round and then go up. And that's a capital U, or we can call it an uppercase U, or we can call it a big U. Sometimes we say big when we're talking about big letters. And then a little u or a lowercase u starts at the top here, and we go up, we go down to a little hook, come up, and then down for a little tail. So we start here, we go up, and then down for a little tail. Uppercase U, lowercase u, big U, little u. So you can practice your letters. Once you know all your letters, then you can make words, any words you want. Your name, your friends' names, the months of the year, days of the year, special letters. Whoop, I lost my feeling face. So practice your letters and your numbers every day and you'll get really good at it. So I was pretty happy yesterday. Let's see what our feeling faces are like. So I was happy yesterday. I'm still a little bit happy, I suppose. I'm happy today. This one keeps falling out. What about this one? Sad. What are some reasons that we might be sad? Are we missing somebody? Maybe we couldn't go to school today. Might be sad because we couldn't go to school. Some people might be happy. I think I would be sad if I couldn't go to school. Let's see, what else? Angry. Are you angry today? Angry? Angry that you went to school? Angry that you couldn't go to school? Angry that you couldn't find your favorite toy? Angry that you didn't like what your grown-up made you for lunch? What are some reasons you could be angry? What about content? Are you content today? Just pleasant? Happy? Maybe you're relaxed? You had a busy day yesterday and now you're relaxing? What about this one? Nervous? Concerned? That's a little bit of a bigger word. Anxious? Worried? I think I'm going to use this one today just because I didn't get my things done yesterday, so I want to do them as well today. And it's my friend's birthday and I'm going to make her some cupcakes. So I need to make sure that I don't run out of time and that I get everything done that I want to today. So I'm a little bit nervous that I might not get it all done. So I'm going to put up nervous and we'll see how my day goes. And so for being kind today, I'm going to take my friend some cupcakes. What are you going to do that's kind today? Do you like to make cupcakes? Maybe your grown-up helps you make cupcakes? What about cookies? Do you have a favorite cookie? Making a little baked treat for someone is a lovely thing to do. It's kind and thoughtful. Some people can't have sugar, so you need to know if they can have sugar or not. They might be diabetic. And if they are, you can make them something else that maybe doesn't have as much sugar, less sugar, maybe a veggie tray, something that they can have. Being kind also means being thoughtful. So it might be something that you would like to have, but maybe they wouldn't like to have. Like my friend likes to have chocolate icing on cupcakes, but you might like to have vanilla icing on cupcakes. If it was your birthday, I would make you vanilla icing cupcakes because I'm thinking about what you would like, and that's really kind for me to do. So I hope you find something wonderfully kind to do today, and I hope that you have a great day, and I hope I also see you again tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.